डाइपोल मोमेंट। देखो मैंने आपको कहा है कि व्हेन टू इक्वल एंड अपोजिट चार्जेस प्लस क्यू एंड माइनस क्यू आर सेपरेटेड बाय a very small distance equal to 2a, this arrangement is called an electric dipole. The distance between the two charges is called dipole distance, and the line joining the center of the plus q and minus q is called dipole axis. This dipole distance, it is a vector quantity and is directed from negative to positive charge. This dipole distance is taken as 2a for the simplification of mathematical expressions. Now, what is dipole moment? The dipole moment क्या होता है? The product of magnitude of either of the charge, एक charge, either of the charge and dipole distance is called a dipole moment. ठीक है, ये जो डाइपोल मोमेंट है, डाइपोल मोमेंट इट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, इट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी and is directed from negative charge to positive charge. So it is denoted by P, vector P. Mathematically we can write vector P is equal to, it is equal to the product of magnitude of the either of the charge and the dipole distance. What is the magnitude of the either of the charge? It is Q. Into what is the dipole distance? It is 2a. Or P is equal to 2a Q. So what is the SI unit of this? P is equal to 2a Q. This is distance, this is charge. Therefore it is SI unit is कूलम मीटर. चार्ज का कूलम है और डिस्टेंस का मीटर है. प्रैक्टिकल यूनिट ऑफ डाइपोल डिस्टेंस, डाइपोल मोमेंट इज जूबे. 1 dB is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised power minus 30 coulomb meter.